Welcome to the verb of the day with simple and easy Arabic.
Put. Put as an imperative masculine. حط. حط.
This is how we conjugate the verb in the present tense.
أنا بحط. أنت بتحط. أنتي بتحطي. أنتو بتحطوا. نحنا منحط. هو بيحط. هي بتحط. هنن بيحطوا.
Let's see how we conjugate the verb in the simple past.
أنا حطيت. أنت حطيت. أنتي حطيتي. أنتو حطيتو. نحنا حطينا. هو حط. هي حطت. هنن حطوا.
Let's put them in sentences. Put your hand in my hand.
حط إيدك بإيدي.
What spices do you put on your food?
شو البهارات يلي بتحط على الأكل؟
I will put to you the book on the table. What we mean by this is I will leave the book on the table for you.
رح حطلك الكتاب على الطاولة.
Become a Patreon to get access to much more study material. Check it out now! Did you enjoy this video? You can support us by liking and subscribing. Thanks!